Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you a quick and easy way to skin chicken pieces. And we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone. So today I'm going to teach you how to skin chicken pieces. Today I'm going to work on some chicken legs, and I'm going to get them ready to put in a bag to later put on the barbecue. So I'm going to put them in a bag, do a marinade. That part you don't need to see, but we are going to skin the chicken first because it has the most fat, and we don't like chicken skin in my house. So, we're going to start by opening it. Now this chicken is mostly thawed, but not completely thawed. And I find it's always a little bit easier to skin when it's a slight bit frozen. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some paper towel. I like to have a nice big piece to put the chicken skin on, and then little pieces to help with skinning. So I'm going to take my piece of chicken. Now, using another piece of paper towel, I get under the skin, see, like this, and then I just pull it all the way off, and there we go. We've got a skinned chicken leg. And I just do this for the whole thing. So I get the skin started, I use the paper towel, and it helps me get a really good grip on that skin, and then I rip it off. And really, there's not much to it. And I have a good amount of paper towel ready to go, so I'm not touching anything with my chicken hands. And then I just take it kind of sticks to the paper towel. You see how that's doing that? I take that and I just pull it off. And I get going again. Grab another piece and pull off that skin. And if you find any fatty parts that you want to take off, you can use your paper towel for that too. And it just sticks to the paper towel, and that's what makes it so easy to skin, is that it sticks. It wants to naturally stick to the paper towel. So like I said, I'm doing up this chicken to do on the barbecue. It's almost warm enough to do that. Now you see here I'm having a struggle with this one. It doesn't want to come off the end. So that's usually what tells me my paper towel is no good anymore. So I switch to a fresh piece of paper towel and I start again. Once the paper towel kind of gets I guess moisture on it or whatever, it just doesn't want to hold the chicken anymore. So, or the chicken skin. So that's when I know it's time to change my paper towel. And there we go. If it breaks, just try again on a different piece of the paper towel. And it wants to stick to me too. And this is also if you have thigh pieces or chicken breast pieces that you want to skin. I don't know how to skin a full chicken, so don't even come to me for that one. But chicken pieces I do all the time. So, and the way I marinate these to do them on the barbecue, I'll tell you my little secret. I just put salad dressing in with them. Sometimes I use Greek salad dressing. Sometimes I use Italian salad dressing. Sometimes I use 1,000 Islands. It doesn't matter. Anytime I've done it, I've always had people rave about my chicken, my barbecued chicken. And it's just a quick and simple way to do it. And I just let it sit in the sauce in the fridge. Oh my gosh, my hands are cold. It's still quite frozen, so look at how red my hand is. So anyway, I let it sit in the salad dressing in just a Ziploc bag, and it just soaks up all those nice flavors, and then I barbecue it, and it doesn't dry out. It stays really nice and moist. I don't barbecue it on high or anything. Oh, see, this one's giving me some struggle, so I know it's time to get rid of my paper towel. So yeah, I don't cook it on high or anything. I cook it probably on medium heat on the barbecue. And oh, it turns out so good. And I just use whatever dressing. I've never tried coleslaw dressing, but I have tried Caesar, Italian, Greek, yeah, any kind of dressing. I've never tried coleslaw dressing though. That might be good. I don't know. It just gets all into the chicken and is nice. And there we go. And I always get family packs because I have quite a large family, so I get the bigger pieces. Sorry, my hand is really, really, really cold. So, just like any of my other videos, if you want to see more of my little tips and tricks for cooking, I'll put a link in the description. Oh, time for a new paper towel. I'll put a link in the description. And I have a playlist too that also has different recipes that I've done, whether it's a homemade recipe that has been passed down in the families, or if it's a recipe I've tried from a cookbook. I always try and make sure I tell you which cookbook it is so you can go get it, because usually if I make one recipe from it, I've done lots of the others, and it's one of my favorite recipe books. This is just something I did one day because I was being lazy. I had people coming. I wanted to barbecue, but I didn't know what to make. And there was a friend of mine who showed me to take vegetables, cut up all kinds of vegetables, put them in, what did she use? I think she used some kind of creamy dressing. And she mixed the vegetables up in this creamy dressing and then put it in aluminum and put it on the barbecue, and oh my goodness, it was so, so good. Oops. So I do that too when I go camping, and this recipe is good if you're going camping. You can do the chicken when it's partially frozen or completely frozen and put the marinade in it, and then just put it in the cooler like that, ready to go. So then when you get to the campsite or your picnic site or whatever, you can put it on the grill and have a nice treat. So, as with all my videos, if you like this, like and subscribe. I am still trying to get my subscription number up. YouTube has changed the requirements. It used to be that you had to have 10,000 views, which I have hit now many times. But they've changed it to 4,000 hours worth of views and 1,000 subscribers. And as of the last time I looked, I have 85 subscribers. So if you like my videos, please share them. Please get other people looking and viewing and subscribing for me. I would love it. And I'm not opposed to going and subscribing for other people. You help me, I'll help you. And if you want a notification that I just put up a new video, hit the little bell icon. Yeah. And there we go. We did a family size chicken leg pack. And it took us however long this video is. And I've got my chicken legs ready to have my dressing put in. And they're all skinned. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. And the little bell. Talk to you later. Bye now.